G'day guys, it's James from Aussie Traveller here, and have I got something very exciting to share with you today. You might know Aussie Traveller. We've been a caravan industry leader for over 35 years now. We sell doors and windows, washing machines, and a huge range of caravan related accessories. What we're probably most famous for though is our caravan awnings and the anti-flap kit. So you might not know, Aussie Traveller was the original inventor of the anti-flap kit over 20 years ago. And what I have to share with you today is a few updates to that much loved product. So with no further ado, please welcome the anti-flap kit Pro Plus. So now that I've woken you up from that slumber, let's unpack why the anti-flap kit Pro Plus is a level above the original. To start with, it comes in two colors. We have black and we have white. Anti-flap kit Pro Plus is 20% lighter than the original AFK Long. So it's only 6 kilos, great for caravanners looking to lose some weight from their vans. Anti-flap kit Pro Plus still does the core basics. It protects your awning from wind flap, you can still attach barbecue porches, and you can still add annexes. The most important feature though that I want to share with you is the anti-flap kit Pro Plus is a one size suits most RV awnings. That means it will suit brands such as Aussie Traveller, Dometic, Carefree, Tula, Fiamma, Global Heritage. Whether it's an electric awning or a rollout awning, you can jump onto our website here using the QR code and check your compatibility. So we're going to move right along to what those marketing team people call an unboxing. Let's go. So everybody, let's get unboxing. I've already cut the tape, but for demonstration purposes, that's how it should work. So the anti-flap kit itself will come with the following parts. Comes with instructions and a user manual. Comes with a whole heap of parts labelled from A to F. And they're suitable attachments that you can use to make sure that the anti-flap kit Pro Plus is set up to suit your awning. One of the most notable differences of the anti-flap kit Plus is it now comes in 6 pieces. So our traditional AFK came in 2 pieces for each side. The third piece now allows us to extend out from 2100, which is the smallest projection, all the way out to the 2500 for those bigger awnings. And that's it, guys. So there you have it, folks. Here's an Aussie Traveller Anti-Flap Kit Pro Plus, which has been unboxed. We have the anti-flap kit over here, plus all of the attachments. The Aussie Traveller Anti-Flap Kit Pro Plus comes preset to suit most rollout awnings, so very similar to our original. However, we have now included inside the instructions and on the front of the box a QR code. Scan that QR code, it will take you to a web page that's monitored by Aussie Traveller. From there, you can select your awning type. Once selected, there will be clear instructions on how to set up the anti-flap kit Pro Plus to suit your awning. So if you have a cassette awning, for example, you may need to change the ends out to one of the attachments that's included in the box. That will ensure that your anti-flap kit Pro Plus is set up for use with your awning model. That's all I have for today, guys. Head over to aussietraveller.com.au for more features, benefits, and a greater understanding of our new anti-flap kit Pro Plus. See you out there.